The recent police raid on Kelly Khumalo's home has sent shockwaves through South Africa, reigniting one of the country's most heartbreaking and controversial cases, the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. In a move that has stunned many, law enforcement officers uncovered a secret hidden room inside Khumalo's residence. This concealed space reportedly contains handwritten notes, digital devices, and personal items that until now were completely unknown to investigators and the public alike. The discovery of this hidden trove of evidence could very well shift the entire course of an investigation that has baffled the nation for years. Senzo Meyiwa's death in 2014 was a devastating blow to South Africa, especially within the world of sports and music, where his name still resonates deeply. As the former captain of the South African national football team, the Bafana Bafana, Senzo was more than just an athlete. He was a symbol of hope and pride for millions. His untimely murder left a gaping wound not only in the hearts of his family and fans but also raised serious questions about justice and accountability in the country's criminal system. Despite numerous leads, arrests, and public demands for answers, the mystery surrounding his death has remained largely unresolved. Understanding the significance of this raid requires a look back at the history of the case. On October 26, 2014, Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed during what was supposed to be a peaceful visit to his girlfriend's home in Vosloorus, a township near Johannesburg. The circumstances of that fatal night were murky from the start. Police initially suggested a botched robbery, but many questioned this version of events. Over the years, conflicting reports and allegations of mishandling by the authorities have only deepened public frustration. The lack of closure has made the Meyiwa case a symbol of broader issues related to crime, corruption, and the challenges faced by South Africa's justice system. Kelly Khumalo, a well-known South African singer and Meyiwa's girlfriend at the time of his death, has always been at the center of media attention related to the case. For years, her silence on many details and the ongoing speculation about her involvement or knowledge have kept the public intrigued and divided. Some have viewed her as a grieving partner caught in a tragic situation, while others have questioned her role and the possibility of withheld information. The discovery of this secret room inside her home adds a new and complex layer to these ongoing conversations. The items found in that concealed space are believed to be highly significant. Handwritten notes might contain thoughts, confessions, or clues that have never been seen by investigators. Digital devices such as phones or computers could hold messages, contacts, or even recordings that shed light on the events leading up to and following Senzo's murder. The presence of undisclosed personal items raises further questions about what has been hidden from the public and the police. If these materials prove to be credible, they could break open the case in ways that were previously unimaginable. The public reaction to this development has been intense. South Africans from all walks of life are demanding accountability and transparency. Social media platforms have exploded with discussions, calls for justice, and expressions of frustration over how long it has taken to uncover new evidence. For many, this is more than just a criminal investigation. It is a test of South Africa's ability to confront painful truths and deliver justice, no matter how complex or uncomfortable the facts may be. The growing outrage also reflects a deep desire to restore faith in the justice system, which some believe has faltered in handling this and other high-profile cases. Experts and commentators have weighed in with varied opinions. Some legal analysts caution that the discovery of new evidence, while promising, must be carefully examined and verified before drawing conclusions. They emphasize the importance of due process and warn against rushing to judgment. Others suggest that this raid could finally lead to the uncovering of a cover-up or reveal previously hidden networks of influence that may have hindered the investigation. Meanwhile, supporters of Kelly Khumalo call for respect and remind the public that everyone deserves a fair hearing and the presumption of innocence until proven otherwise. It's important to consider how this event fits into the broader context of South Africa's ongoing struggle with crime, corruption, and justice reform. The Senzo Meyiwa case has been emblematic of systemic issues that have plagued the country's law enforcement agencies. Delays, lost evidence, conflicting testimonies, and political interference have all been cited as reasons why many cases remain unresolved. The fact that a secret room full of potential evidence remained hidden in a high-profile figure's home for so long raises uncomfortable questions about accountability and transparency within both the criminal justice system and society at large. Looking ahead, the discovery of this hidden room could lead to several possible outcomes. First, it might provide the police with the crucial information needed to make new arrests or secure stronger evidence against suspects already under suspicion. It could also push prosecutors to reopen or intensify investigations that have stalled or faced legal challenges. Additionally, this development could encourage other witnesses or insiders to come forward, feeling that the tide is finally turning in favor of truth and justice. On the other hand, the handling of this new evidence will be under intense scrutiny, with critics demanding that authorities act swiftly and fairly to prevent another cycle of delays and frustrations. For Kelly Khumalo, this moment could be pivotal. How she responds, whether through cooperation, clarification, or silence, will likely shape public perception in the weeks and months to come. Her role in the unfolding drama is complex, intersecting with issues of personal privacy, public interest, and the relentless spotlight of media and social opinion. Regardless of the outcome, it is clear that her involvement will remain a focal point of discussions surrounding the case. The case of Senzo Meyiwa and the recent police raid at Kelly Khumalo's home remind us that justice is often a difficult and winding road, especially in cases marked by high emotions, public scrutiny, and complex social dynamics. This story also highlights the enduring impact of unresolved tragedies on families and communities and the urgent need for systems that are capable of delivering truth and closure. As this story continues to develop, South Africans and supporters of justice around the world watch closely, hoping that this new chapter might finally bring the clarity and answers so long sought after. If you've followed this case or are learning about it now, your thoughts and feelings matter. What do you think about this recent discovery? How do you believe it will affect the search for justice for Senzo Meyiwa? Do you think the justice system will act effectively this time? Please share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and deep dives into South Africa's most pressing stories. Your voice helps keep these conversations alive and drives change forward. Thank you for watching and being part of this important discussion.